arm your quads as we go live on the tone in less than 5.
Yellow Snow, followed by Diesel FPV and Burnout. First pick through the gate. Everybody's on the clock. We got some blade-to-blade fight going on switchback. Looks like might be Snow in front. Yellow Snow's in front, followed by Burnout right behind him. Oh, Burnout takes a crash. Here comes Yellow Snow.
Yellow Snow 31.2.
Oh, Burnout gets back up. He's going toe-to-toe with Diesel FPV right now. Both coming through the front
Burnout
straight.
43.4. Diesel FPV 43.7.
Those two are neck and neck. Here comes our leader, Yellow Snow, down the front straight. Oh, he messes up.
1 minute left.
180 and come back. Here comes the leader down the front straight.
Yellow Snow 36 flat. Burnout 27.2. Diesel FPV 29.9. 45 seconds left.
Looks like Burnout's in front. Can Yellow Snow catch him?
30 seconds left.
Here comes first and second. They're going to come down the front straight. They're blade to blade. Here comes Burnout.
Burnout 27.7. Yellow Snow 31.6. 15 seconds left.
Now they're both on a 4-lap.
Diesel FPV 33.9.
Looks like Burnout's going to take it. I think Yellow Snow might have took a couple. Here comes our leader down the front straight, and our winner, Burnout.
Burnout 28.1. Burnout done.
206. Yellow Snow got back up, and they come down the front straight.
Diesel FPV 32 flat. Diesel FPV done. Yellow Snow 41.4. Yellow Snow done. All pilots are finished.
All right, Diesel takes second, followed by Snow.